Hi guys, this is my Skoda Mark1 2007 Combi. I've got another problem on it. The rear seats won't fold down. When you pull up the clip, it's just very loose. Something's broken, and I'm going to fix it. I'm going to show you how. So here's the rear seat. Normally I would come along and lift this up, but it's actually really loose. Something's broken inside. It's happened before, so this is my actual second time to repair, and actually both of them have gone. So how do we fix it? You will need to purchase new clips, which come in left and right hand variety. There's a model number there. I think there's different part numbers for different colours. This is black, and there's the other one. Can't remember which is left and which is right, but they cost something like €1.50, so it's worth buying a few of left and right. I bought 3 this time. €14 for 6, including postage. So what we first need to do is take the old one out, and it involves breaking it and then putting the seats forward, which is tricky, or can be tricky, and then pushing the new ones in place. And they actually engage with this kind of, I don't know what you call that, push connector, and I think that's what's broken on the original. One of these pins is broken off, so it doesn't actually engage on the seat latch. So let's break the old one. And I'll do that with a screwdriver, or pulling it up. There we go. That was easy. And this old one doesn't actually look that damaged, however it keeps jumping out, so I'll try a new part. It's actually not broken. Normally one of those pins would be broken on the last time I did it. Okay, so I'm going to move the seat forward now, and you'll see how that's done. Actually, I've taken a look at the old one and the new one, and I can see the old one, those pins are very close together. New one, there's a slight gap, which is probably why it's not engaging. So I probably could fix this if I bent it, heated it up and bent it, but for €1.50 I'm just going to use the new one. So I'm in the boot. I've climbed in the boot. This is the left side, and you can see there's a metal hoop, and that's where you need to put a screwdriver over the top of the hoop, and you're actually lifting the latch that's in there. Can't see a lot, but there we go. I think you might have missed that, but I've gone over the top of the loop and I've basically just pushed up. Let's move the latch. Like so. Make sure it doesn't spring back. And now I will put the new part in. Here's the new part. I'm going to put it into the hole. So here's the new one. I've just put it through the hole. Make sure you're facing the right way. And then if you look down here, you should see those pins coming through that hole there. Okay, and it's engaged at the bottom, and now when I pull up, it works. And that is the end of the video. Hopefully it will help you and save €100+ in the garage. Thanks for listening and watching, and remember to like. Bye bye.